this video, I will show you my solution to GR11 hackathon, where I built a platform for managing Pebble Loots. And what are Pebble Loots? It's just some representation of Pebble devices in form of SVG with some metadata. And with these Pebble Loots, we can build really cool stuff. And let's see actually what's all about. Let's go to our dev. It's pebbleloots.app. And here on the main page we can see the instruction for minting the loots actually. But let me show you how to do it. Firstly, we go to loot gallery. But of course we don't have any loots yet, and we want to mint some. And here I need to enter a device ID that I really possess. So I should be the owner of the device to mint a loot for it. And I can do it only once. I don't really remember the device ID, so I go back to main page, devices, find my loot, now find my pebble here, pebble and copy, paste. And now I can mint. And I actually already pre-minted it and I sent to my friend. Okay, our two loots are minted. I can see them here. And what actually happens if I try to mint again? I push submit and I see the notification that this token already minted. Or if I want to try to mint a Pebble loot from other person, it also won't work because I'm not the owner of this device. Okay, now I have two Pebble loots, and what can I do with them? I minted one for my friend, so let's firstly send a loot for my friend. I see that he has no loots here. What's his address? Let's copy his address and then let's transfer and share with him. Alright, sign the transaction. Confirm. Then, while we are waiting to this loot is being transferred, we can see what we can actually do with our loot. Let's go to loot chart. And yeah, this is a dashboard with real data that is coming from our device about climate, motion, GPS, music track, and other information. Where does it come from? There is a channel between Pebble Loots tab and TrueStream, and the channel is when front end acquires information from back end fetching the data from TrueStream subgraph, and then read the raw data that was sent from subgraph, decode protobufs, and send it back to front end. And how that's how we see the actual data. But there is another channel between smart contracts, which is for proving the ownership of the devices when they mint a loot. And yeah, and that's all. So I think that our friend has got this Pebble loot that is here. It's here. Now our friend can also see the data. Yeah, you see it. We actually can, if we have more than one loot, we also can choose one of them here in this menu. Yes, let's continue and see what can we do actually here. For now, this is the only function with loot charts, the only function that I implemented. But on this basis, on this basis of Pebble Loots, we can build more. So here can be more applications. So you could actually ask, why do we need this Pebble Loots? Why can't we just go to IoTeX platform and see the data directly there? The difference is that you can share your data, you can share the loots with your friends, for example, or with another address of yours. can see it's just very easy to manage the data representation in such a cool form. Another solution is this could be some NFT generation, some abstract dynamic art generating from loop data, right, from this email and so on. But it's limitless. We can build more applications on this basis. And what I also thought about is in future we also can build some not Pebble Loots but real data loots. When we see some very interesting, some valuable combination of data, we also can mint this real data loots and also use it in some ways. So that is just a platform for something bigger, and this are the only few applications that are in work right now. So this is how it works, and I see a potential in this platform, and we also can build some marketplace where you can trade also your loots, real data loots or Pebble loots and so on. So I hope that you also enjoyed and find my solution interesting. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.